Hello students. So this video is on regression. This video is in continuation with previous video in which we did a regression, and we did two methods to find out the regression equation. The first method was method of least square, in which we use normal equations to find out the regression equation, and the second method was the direct method, in which we take deviations from actual mean. Now this is the third method. This is the shortcut method to find regression, and here we'll be taking deviations from the assumed mean. In previous method we took deviations from actual mean, but here we'll be taking deviations from assumed mean. And whenever we have a very large value of x series and very large value of y series, in that case this method is very useful, because in finding byx and in finding bxy, we need to find dx dy, we need to find x minus x bar. Okay, so if x series, the values of x series are very large, then x bar will be very large, and subtracting those things will become difficult. So this method is useful whenever we have very large values in x series and y series. So this is the regression equation of y on x. Here also we have two regression equation. One is for y on x and other one is x on y. So regression equation of y on x is given by y minus y bar equal to byx, x minus x bar. Byx is coefficient of y on x, and it is given by n summation dx dy minus summation dx summation dy divided by n summation dx square minus summation dx whole square. Now what is this dx and dy? Dx stands for x minus a, where a is assumed mean of x series, and dy stands for y minus b, where b is assumed mean of y series. Alright, so let's see one example to this. This is regression equation of x on y. This is regression equation on y on x. This is regression equation of x on y. This role of x and y is interchanged. Here we have y minus y bar. Here we have x minus x bar. Okay. So this role of x and y is interchanged. So let's see one example. Calculate the regression equation from following data. So x series is given and y series is given. As you can see, the values of x series and y series are large, right? So firstly we'll calculate x bar and we'll calculate y bar. So we'll write x series, y series in form of a table. Okay, so calculate summation x comes out to be 225. Calculate summation y, sum these values and it will come out to be 188. So x bar, which is equal to summation x, sum of the x series divided by the total number of item. So this is equal to 225 divided by 10, 22.5, and y bar comes out to be sum of y series, 188 divided by 10, which is 18.8. So we'll take assumed mean of x series, as we can take it 22, we can take it 23 also. Okay, so we'll take it 22, and for y series we can take 18 or 19, but 19 is nearer to this value, so we'll take 19. So we'll calculate x minus 22 and we will calculate y minus 19. Okay, so let's see this. We'll calculate dx and dy, x minus 22 and y minus 19. So x minus 22, 18 minus 22 minus 4, 19 minus 22 minus 3, 20 minus 22 minus 2, 21 minus 22 minus 1, 22 minus 22 0, and so on, all the other values, and we'll sum them. Sum of all these values comes out to be 5. Similarly, we'll find out dy, which is y minus b assumed mean, and here we have taken assumed mean of y series to be 19. So 17 minus 19 minus 2, 17 minus 19 minus 2, 18 minus 90 minus 1, 18 minus 90 minus 1, 18 minus 90 minus 1, 19 minus 19 0, and so on, all of the values, and we'll sum them, and its sum comes out to be minus 2. Now we will calculate dx square, will square these values, okay, and dy square will square these values. So this comes out to be minus 4 into minus 4 16, minus 3 into minus 3 9, minus 2 into minus 2 4, and so on, all of the values. Similarly, we will calculate dy square. Minus 2 into minus 2 4, minus 2 into minus 2 4, minus 1 into minus 1 1, minus 1 into minus 1 1, and so on, all of the values. And we'll sum them, and sum will come out to be 20. So after calculating these things, the final thing which we need to calculate is dx into dy. Okay, so dx into dy, minus 4 into minus 2 8, minus 3 into minus 2 6, minus 2 into minus 1 2, minus 1 into minus 1 1, 0 into minus 1 0, and so on, all of the values. And we'll calculate the sum of these values, and sum is coming out to be 38. Now we have this table, and this is the formula to find out the regression equation of y on x. Okay, so y minus y bar equal to byx, x minus x bar, where byx is given by this. Okay, so firstly we'll calculate byx. We'll put the value of all these things here. N is 10 here, total number of entries are 10, so n equal to 10. Summation dx dy, first multiply and then summations, first multiply and then summation, 38, so we'll put 38 here, minus summation dx is 5, so we'll put 5 here. Summation dy is this, minus 2, whole divided upon n is 10 again. Summation dx square, first square and then sum. Okay, so this comes out to be 85, minus dx whole square, first sum and then square. So first sum 5 and then square. So we'll calculate this, and this will come out to be 0.473. So we'll put this value 0.473 here in this equation. Y minus y bar, what is y bar? 18.8. We have calculated y bar here, 18.8, minus byx, what is byx? We have calculated byx here, 0.473. X minus x bar, what is x bar? We have calculated x bar here, 22.5, so we'll put 22.5 here. Okay, we'll just calculate this, simplify this equation, and we'll get y equal to 0.473x minus 8.158, which is the regression equation of y on x. Similarly, we'll find out regression equation of x on y. This is the regression equation of x on y, where bxy is the coefficient of regression of x on y. Okay, so bxy is given by n summation dx dy minus summation dx summation dy upon n summation dy square minus summation dy whole square. So we'll put all these values here. Value of n is 10, summation dx dy, first multiply and then sum, 38, minus summation dx is 5, summation dy is minus 2, okay, divided by n summation dy square, first square and then sum, which is 20, okay, first square and then sum, which is 20, so 20 minus first sum and then square, first sum is minus 2 and then square, so we'll calculate, it will come out to be 19.89. Okay, we'll put all these values there and we'll get the answer. Okay, I hope you have understood this. We have done 3 methods to find out regression. Okay, you have understood it well. Try to do more and more problems, and if you face any problem, do ask me. In the next video, we'll be doing a relationship between regression and correlation. Okay, so stay safe and stay at home. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Thank you.